Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for you each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. I try to solve the problems that you face with on digital world. So if you have any problems or questions, just write these problems and questions in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. My channel is thriving now with your support. I really appreciate it. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to get Instagram access token. At first, before just explain that, I think I should just talk about API, and after that, what is access token. So API is the application programming interface, which is a software intermediary that allows two applications to talk to each other. And each time you use an app like Facebook, or send an instant message, or check the weather on your phone, you are using an API. And when you use an application on your mobile phone, the application connects to the internet and sends data to a server, and the server that retrieves that data, interprets it, and performs the necessary actions and sends it back to your phone. The application then interprets that data and presents you with the information you wanted in a readable way. This is what an API is, and all of this happens with the help of API. To explain better, actually, I searched a bit and I found a good example for that. For instance, you're sitting in a restaurant with a menu of choices to just order from. And the kitchen is part of the system that will prepare your order. What is missing is the critical link to communicate your order to the kitchen and deliver your food back to your table. That's where the waiter or API comes in. The waiter is the messenger that takes your request or order and tells the kitchen what to do. And then waiter delivers the response back to you, and in this case, it is the food. So I think it's more clear for you what API means now. And access tokens, what are access tokens? Access tokens are the thing that applications use to make API requests on behalf of a user. So the access token represents the authorization of a specific application to access specific parts of a user's data. They should be kept confidential in transit and in storage, and the only parties that should ever see the access token are the application itself, the authorization server, and resource server. The application should ensure the storage of access token is not accessible to other applications on the same device. That's really important. Yeah, so you learned about it a little bit, so we can just talk about how to get Instagram access token now. With the Ocean Instagram extension, you need to generate an access token to display your photos. And this tutorial is a quick breakdown of the steps to get access token, and you don't have to be a coder or developer to follow most of these steps. The first step is to register application. Before getting your access token, you have to register as a developer in Instagram and to receive client ID. So please visit instagram.com/developer and register a new app. And you can just you can just see it from there. on the picture, and you need to register a new app and log in Instagram. To get a client ID, you need to be registered on Instagram. Create an account or log in using the existing account to pass on to the next step. And then the other step is to fill in the developer sign up. Instagram demands to be registered as a developer from everyone who wants to display Instagram feed on his website. And after you log in Instagram, the next window will appear. It's just written developer sign up, so your website, phone number, what you want to build with the API. So step 2, register new app client. Go to manage clients and hit register a new client to register and gain API access. And the next step is fill in the form with your website data. You can just see it from there. You're just gonna fill the form with your website data and check the fields on the web page. The application name, choose any appropriate name which fits Instagram requirements, and in the description, any short description, and website URL, your website where you display the Instagram feed, and valid redirect URLs have to be oceanwp.org/Instagram. And step 3, copy or save client ID. Copy the client ID here, or at least keep this tab open. You'll need the client ID to generate the access token. And step 4, configure client for public access. Click Manage on your app from the Manage Client screen, then open the Security tab and uncheck the Disable Implicit, and since we'd like the public to be able to see our feed. As you can see on the picture. And then step 5, get Instagram access token using client ID. Copy your new Instagram client ID, then go to this page and paste your client ID here. You're just gonna paste your client ID, and then you'll need to click on the authorize button. Then you'll be redirected to the Ocean WP site with your access token. And then copy the access token to the plugin setting. The last step is go to the Instagram tab of your dashboard and copy the access token to the input box provided. Then you're ready to display your Instagram feed on your website. I mean, if you follow all these steps, you'll just, do it very, very quickly, and it will be so easy for you to do that. I hope it's really helpful for you, and I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and we'll be a bigger community together. I'll talk to you all in another video very soon, and bye.